Welcome, my friend. Today we're making creamy potato gnocchi with spinach and mushroom. You start by browning some pancetta, about 3 ounces, in a large skillet in some olive oil. You can also use bacon. Then you add chopped onions, and you cook that together until the onions start to caramelize lightly and become translucent. Then you add some cremini mushrooms to the pan, pretty many of them, about 2 pints, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Sauté it all together until the mushrooms start to brown, and then it's time to add salt and pepper. Now it's time for the mascarpone cheese. I used about a 1/4 cup. I also squeezed in some fresh lemon juice for balance and brightness. Now add plenty of fresh baby spinach to the skillet and a touch of nutmeg because nutmeg goes great with nice greens. Give it all a little stir and put on the cover. Time to add some previously cooked potato gnocchi and give it all a good stir together. To thicken the sauce, I added 1/2 cup of the gnocchi cooking liquid and gave it another good stir. Before serving, I topped it off with grated Parmesan cheese, and it's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full recipe at KudosKitchen by Renee.com.